Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to get a musket. The musket shoots like this. So yeah, so how to get the musket. So you need to, let me show you. Let me just, let's go on my flying carpet. So to get the musket, you have to get about like 10 bombs. So you might want to be like breaking pots, or maybe I don't know. So you're gonna have to go in this realm, go down here, try not to die, ignore all monsters. So go down here, and what you need with the 10 bombs is you have to 10 bombs out here, and you have to put a bomb right there, and you have to explode one of these things, and then the musket comes out, and that's how you get the musket. So I'll see you later, and bye.